welcome back to the Mayo River. The water looks pretty darn low. I've been here where the water's here and you can't cross. Beautiful, isn't it? Got him. Oh, came off. All right. Well, I just lost that smallmouth. I just caught a largemouth. I hadn't caught a largemouth here in the Mayo River in a while on the H&H spinner. I lost that smallmouth on the Berkeley worm down there at the falls right there. A beautiful little largemouth though, isn't it? On the H&H spinner. Right, got a nice largemouth here at the Mayo River on the H&H spinner. We just lost a nice smallmouth, probably about 14, 15 inches on the Berkeley worm. Let's get this guy back. Hopefully that produces. All right, well, I turn the GoPro off after every couple casts, and that's twice I've caught one when I turned it off. Beautiful little female sunfish. Let's get her back. Yeah, beautiful sunfish. Look at that orange tail. Tropical looking. Okay, we just caught that sunfish. Maybe we'll catch one on this cast. Oh. turned the GoPro off. That's a nice smallmouth right there, folks, on the H&H spinner. I missed a couple of these over the couple of years I come up here. I finally got one. I lost one this morning. It wasn't this big. We're gonna weigh this guy. That's a nice smallmouth right there, folks. Mayo River H&H spinner. That's a beauty right there. My God. That's like a 20, I'm guessing that's like a, man, 21, 22 incher. My God, it's a beast. Heck yeah. Angling mill. Alright, I'll see you later, buddy. Alright, the trail. We saw that big buck down here like a year ago. Alright team, thanks for checking out this episode. Came up to the Mayo River today for about 3 hours. Caught the biggest smallmouth of my life, about 4 or 5 pounds on an H&H spinner. We caught a nice little largemouth, and we caught a nice beautiful female sunfish. Lost a smallmouth on a Berkeley scented worm. Had a couple other bites. You're welcome to subscribe. I'll have some episodes coming the end of the week next week. Take care.